How to delete Windows Update files. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. So simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Setting app. Once you are in the setting, from the left hand side menu, go at the bottom, click on Windows Update. In Windows Update, again scroll below and simply go to Update History. After you are directed to this page, you again need to scroll all the way down and there in the related setting you will see the option of Uninstall Update. Simply click on it. Now your device will create the list of files that is okay for you to uninstall. So as you can see, 5 updates has been found which you uninstall, then also your device will be okay. So click on Uninstall beside the file which you want to delete and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.